Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best aircraft engine model is probably one of the most fascinating and intricate pieces of engineering you can get your hands on, offering a detailed look into the complex mechanics that power flight. In this video, we will delve into the features, functionalities, and overall value of this exceptional model, comparing it to other options available in the market and providing you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. Revell 85 to 8883 V8 Engine Kit. Get ready to build your own detailed V8 engine. This 1/4 scale model is perfect for enthusiasts of all skill levels. It's a fun and rewarding project. Carefully examine all the pieces, you'll find everything you need is included in the box. Let's get started. Follow the step-by-step instructions to assemble it. Each step is clearly illustrated for easy assembly. It's made with high-quality plastic for durability and a realistic look. You'll be proud to display your finished model. This kit provides hours of fun and learning. It's a fantastic way to develop your skills and create something amazing. Once completed, you'll have a stunning 12-inch V8 engine model to display. Show off your accomplishment. What we like. It boasts a see-through design, showcasing its intricate details. If you are looking for a detailed and large-scale model, this is perfect for you. This model is ideal for those who appreciate the mechanics of a V8 engine and want a visually stunning display piece. What people say. Most of the parts fit very well. However, some pieces need to be pushed. It's wise to pre-fit and understand how everything is going together, and some temporary assembly is also helpful. The finished engine looks very good, with some misalignment where the water pump matches up with the heads, mostly caused by slight warpage in a front clear piece. It's minor to me. It has great detail, and a lot of parts. I actually would have liked to have seen even more detail. Such as, a timing chain, camshaft bearings, a rotating distributor shaft, and a clear distributor cap. They also need to include spark plug wire looms. Number 4. Franzis Porsche 911 Engine Kit. Introducing the detailed Porsche 911 Boxer Engine Model Kit. It's a meticulously crafted replica, perfect for enthusiasts and collectors alike. See it all in action. The clear casing lets you admire the moving parts, from the pistons to the spinning fan, just like the real thing. This kit comes with a special manual from the Porsche Museum. It's filled with unique images and fascinating facts about this iconic engine. Hear the authentic roar. An electronic sound module recreates the iconic Boxer engine sound. LEDs even simulate the spark plug firing. With 290 precisely engineered pieces and all the tools included, it's easy to assemble. No glue needed. This stunning model is built to a 1:4 scale, capturing the intricate details of the Porsche 911 engine. A must-have for any Porsche fan. What we like. This kit offers a unique experience with its moving parts and authentic engine sounds. If you're a Porsche enthusiast and appreciate intricate details, this is the one for you. The included collector's manual adds to the overall value and educational aspect, making it a great choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. What people say. This model was challenging technically, but the instructions were clear and easy to follow, and no glue was required. Everything snapped or screwed together. Around 2.5 to 3 hours to assemble. I assembled the motor in a couple hours. Directions were on point, book on Porsche was great. You push a button, the motor fires up, shifts through gears audibly, and each cylinder shows red lights simulating firing order. The kit is great. Number 3. Atlantis Allision Prop Jet 501 D13. Let's get started and take a look at all the pieces included in this detailed model kit. It's everything you need to build your very own Allision prop jet engine. Notice the incredible detail in each piece. It's been carefully crafted to ensure an accurate and satisfying build. Follow the easy-to-understand instructions. Each step is clearly illustrated, making the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. This isn't your average model kit. It features intricate details that will challenge and reward your skills. Once completed, you'll have a stunning replica of the Allision Prop Jet 501 D13 engine. A true testament to your craftsmanship. This meticulously crafted model is a showpiece. Display it with pride and share your accomplishment with others. What we like. It features a vibrant, multicolored design. If you are looking for a colorful and engaging model kit, this is a great option. This kit is perfect for those who enjoy building models and want a visually appealing final product. What people say. There is very little flash even on the fine pipe work or the compressor or turbine blades. The plastic itself seems to be of good quality. It builds into a nice, large kit. Taking your time results in a very nice model. Number 2. Franzis Porsche Carrera Engine Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of automotive engineering with this incredible model kit. It's more than just a build, it's a journey into the heart of a Porsche Carrera engine. This meticulously detailed kit is an officially licensed Porsche product. It ensures authenticity and precision, reflecting the iconic design of the Carrera engine. With 300 pieces, this 1:3 scale model kit challenges and rewards you with an engaging build. Each part contributes to the stunning final product. Watch it come to life. It features a transparent body, showcasing the moving parts and LED spark plug simulation. You'll be amazed by the level of detail. This kit includes a full-color collector's handbook from the Porsche Museum in Stuttgart. It's a valuable addition to any enthusiast's collection. Experience the authentic sound of a Carrera engine. It features original engine sounds recorded from a real Carrera, adding an extra dimension to the model. It's not just a static display. The crankshaft, pistons, and valves all move, bringing the engine to life before your eyes. See the power in motion. What we like. It features motorized, moving parts and an official Porsche license. If you are a Porsche fan and want a high-quality model with moving parts, this is the best choice. The detailed collector's book adds an extra layer of value and information for enthusiasts. What people say. Great model of the engine that built Porsche's giant killer reputation over the first 15+ years. Carrera back when Carrera meant something. Nice book includes color history plus comprehensive detailed pictorial assembly instructions. Understand why this engine dominated despite small displacement. Porsche Museum. There is a very informative, full-color, soft-bound booklet of 62 pages, produced by the Porsche Museum, that details the development of this motor. This section of the booklet precedes the 44 pages of assembly instructions, which are excellent. Incredible molded components and design. The book that comes along with the kit is very well done. Number 1. Mastercraft P51D Mustang Model. Behold the magnificent detail of this handcrafted model. It's a stunning replica of a legendary aircraft, perfect for aviation enthusiasts. This model is meticulously carved from exquisite mahogany wood. The rich grain and texture are truly remarkable. Every detail is painstakingly handcrafted and hand-painted, ensuring exceptional quality and authenticity. It's a testament to skilled craftsmanship. This model faithfully recreates the iconic Old Crow P51D Mustang. It captures the spirit and power of this legendary fighter plane. It comes complete with a display stand, so you can proudly showcase it. It's a beautiful addition to any collection. This meticulously detailed model is crafted to a 1/24 scale. It's the perfect size for display and admiration. Note the incredible detail of the Rolls-Royce engine. It's a testament to the model's accuracy and craftsmanship. What we like. This model is exquisitely handcrafted from mahogany wood. If you appreciate high-quality, handcrafted models and the history of aviation, this is for you. Its unique material and construction make it a stunning display piece for aviation enthusiasts and collectors. What people say. This is a high-quality model that would look great anywhere there is an aviation or warbird fan. Super well packaged to protect in transit as well. Blown away with quality and detail. Hope y'all got some Hellcats and Dauntless, 'cause I'm in the market for more. I was also blown away with the fact it was a large-scale replica, and not some limp mini. Absolutely beautiful. Nicely constructed, nice base, good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.